In this video, I will show you how you can show or hide the caller ID on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the dialer app on your Samsung phone, then tap on the three dots over here. Now just select settings from this menu over here. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on supplementary services. Now just wait for a few seconds for this page to load. Now after that, you will find the option for show your caller ID. As you can see, you have a separate section for show caller ID for your SIM 1 and a separate one for your SIM 2. Now let's say if you want to show the caller ID of your SIM 1, just tap on show your caller ID. Now instead of never, just select always. Now after you do that, you will always show your caller ID. And if you want to hide your caller ID, just tap on show your caller ID. Now instead of always, just select never. And you also have the option for network default. Now if you select never, you will hide your caller ID on your Samsung phone. And the same thing goes with your SIM 2. You can customize it to however you want. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.